guys, and this is a new tutorial about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to dislike the selected TikTok. So let's go to the TikTok app. Right now we are on our For You page. So what to do if I liked the selected TikTok and right now I don't know how to disable dislike. So if I did it, remember that right now our heart icon is red. So to dislike this TikTok, let's pick on the heart again to make it white. And ta-da! Right now I removed my like. So if you don't want, for example, to have the similar TikTok in the For You page, you can also hold down this TikTok and choose the not interested option on the list. Amazing! Right now you won't have similar TikTok and you can smoothly control your For You page in this way. Guys, don't forget about likes too, and don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and also on TikTok. Bye bye!